I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today for the Baking Spirits Bright Christmas Cookie Jar Gift Ideas Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Debbie Bubbles, Donna Decor and More, Z9 Designs, and me, Jennifer at Home. I am having so much fun wrapping all of the Christmas gifts and getting all of the things ready to deliver this holiday season. I am making a cookie in a jar recipe for someone very special. I'm also going to include a gift card and a recipe card along with the cookie in the jar. Let me show you how much fun it is to put together and how easy. A very special thank you to Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor for putting together this wonderful, fun collaboration. I am so excited to put together this recipe, cookies in a jar. This is something I've been making since I was a kid. I've always loved to put cookies together in jars to give as gifts. And today I have a beautiful jar. We want to have a jar that is 1 quart, which is 32 ounces. And then I have this big funnel. This is a canning funnel so that you can put it into jars. It has a big wide opening. I got this at Walmart, but you can get these at a lot of different places. The Dollar Tree even has these occasionally. Or you could use a regular funnel, and if you don't have anything like that at all, you can just take some paper and roll it up and make a paper funnel. I have everything measured out and ready to go for my cookies in a jar recipe. I'm going to be using M&Ms and semi-sweet chocolate chips. However, you could use different types of baking chips or candies in your recipe. I purchased this really functional pouring pitcher at the Dollar Tree a while back. It's a really great thing to use to mix all of my dry ingredients for cookies in a jar. I'm going to start by using 1.5 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then I'll just take this big whisk and mix these together. It just takes a couple of minutes to put this recipe together. It is just wonderful. I'm going to take my big pitcher now and I'm going to dump it right into the glass jar. Now that we have that done, we're going to move on to the next step. I'm going to put my big funnel right back up on top, and I'm going to take my brown sugar and pour it right in. Once again, we'll tamp down our ingredient. We're going to have some beautiful layers in this jar. Now that we have that done, we're going to be moving on to the next layer. And this really goes together quick. And we'll just tap this white sugar down. Moving on to the next step, the wonderful semi-sweet chocolate chips. We'll just even these out with our spoon. And now on to the M&Ms or candies of your choice. I have the recipe all written out for cookies in a jar. On the back of this cute little recipe card, I have the ingredients that my friend will need to incorporate when putting this together. And here it is, our cookies in a jar recipe all put together and ready to go. I have this cardboard Christmas tree. I'm going to tape that beautiful little Christmas tree right to the top of the jar. I really appreciate you being here for this really fun open collaboration. I would be so happy if you join us sometime, and be sure to check out all of the other channels. They'll be listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.